9 top Windows hacks and tricks your business can't live without. 1. Shaking your window to minimize it. This is a great way of speeding up the minimizing of windows. All you have to do is click and drag a window, then give it a little shake. Just like magic, you will see that all the other windows you have open will instantly minimize, which allows you to free up vital working space on your desktop, laptop with minimal effort. 2. Simplify the deletion of browser history. If you want to quickly delete your browsing history but don't want to trawl through numerous settings to get there, then why not give Ctrl+Shift+Del a go in your browser and see what happens. 3. Highlighting address bars. Talking of browsers, ever wanted to highlight a long URL in your browser to either copy or delete it? Don't worry, you can by hitting F6 on your keyboard, and as if by magic it is automatically highlighted. 4. Ctrl+Alt+Del is now a thing of the past. Normally when your PC crashes, you use Ctrl+Alt+Del to get to the Task Manager option, but now you can get there directly by holding Ctrl+Shift+ESC, which takes you directly to Task Manager itself with no other clicks. 5. God Mode. The Windows Master Control Panel, also known as God Mode, allows you to create a shortcut to be able to access all of the operating system's control panels from within just one folder. All you have to do to create this shortcut is create a new folder on your desktop or wherever you want it to reside and rename it to the following: God Mode ED7BA47080E545C997120443E01C. 6. Adding file names into the command line. Once you have opened up DOS and are looking to execute a file, there is nothing worse than having to type out a whole file directory. For example, C. Documents Pictures. 7. Quick access to the desktop. Remember the good old days of Windows when you had a Show Desktop icon on the taskbar? Those days are long gone, as you can now simply hit Win+D on your keyboard. If you are wondering where the Win button sits, it is the wavy Windows flag icon which resides between the left Control and Alt buttons. 8. Rename multiple files in an instant. If you are looking to rename multiple files all in one go with the same name, simply select then all and press F2 on your keyboard. Windows will then add a 1 or a 2 at the end of the file name to ensure you don't get confused. 9. Instantly lock your computer. If you are stepping away from your computer, laptop, and want to keep it secure, you can simply do this by pressing Win+L, which means that your documents remain open but no one can access your computer without your password. This is a great habit to get into to ensure that your computer, laptop is always secure.